Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device is unlocked and you can change the lock screen. Open Settings, then Wallpaper or Display and tap Lock Screen. Once there, you'll see the current Modi Wallpaper preview, tap Edit or Change. If you plan to restore a default, make sure the default or system wallpapers are available. If you prefer a new image, have it in Photos. This step gets you into the exact control panel where the wallpaper source and removal options live. Now you remove the image by selecting Change or Remove. Some phones show Set to Default instead. If Remove is unavailable, choose a new image. Pick a photo from Gallery or a system default thumbnail. Use Crop and Fit to keep important content visible, and make sure Lock Screen is selected rather than Home Screen. Once satisfied, tap Apply or Set. This replaces the Modi wallpaper at the system level so notifications and secure lock behavior. Finish by locking the phone to verify the lock screen shows the new or default image. If the Modi wallpaper persists, clear the wallpaper or launcher app cache in Settings apps and restart the device. Once done, repeat the change. If you still can't remove it, check for device admin profiles or work/school management under Settings accounts that may enforce wallpapers. If managed, contact the administrator. Otherwise, a factory reset, as last resort, will remove persistent policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.